let's get started. Up first, we have what I call the perfect pony. You have to brush your hair very thoroughly, even if it already is brushed, very thoroughly. Then, start brushing it back in Okay. Then put it into the ponytail. Then tighten, and boom, I'll get it close up. So, no bumps, and I think that is what I would call perfect. Okay. So now I'm back over here. Next we have what I would call the shum bum. So put your hair in your ponytail, divide it into 2 sections, and twist it. You can totally braid it, but I'm just twisting it. Okay, and then twist. And you need 2 ponytails for this. Then take your second ponytail, twist it, and put it in its bun. I'll come over and get a close up. And boom, you have the shum bun. Third, we have the pigtails twist. But I have to remove the shum bun and the perfect one. Take your hair, brush it out once more, divide it into sections. I'm doing mine parted, but you can totally do yours down the middle. Then section the part that you're not starting with. And with the other part, take a little bit and start twisting it back. It's almost like a French braid, but instead of braid, it's a twist. Then pull back the rest of the hair into a pony and put it in a pigtail. You have one down. Then with the other side, I'm only putting it into a regular pigtail, but you can put it into another twist, but it'll probably take a little bit longer, which is okay, and it probably will take still under 5 minutes, but I only like having one twist and then one pigtail. I'll get another close-up. And boom, the twist pulls back, and you can use bobby pins to make it tight, but I like having it a little loose. And we have our regular pigtail over here. With the pigtail twist, you can also braid it back, but I'm not very good at braids, and it would take me a little longer. And I think that twisting it is easier and looks cute. Next we have half up, half down. This is kind of a classic for people with short hair or medium hair, kind of like mine. Mine's a little short, but the half up, half down. If you don't want to, you don't have to use a brush, and I'm not going to. Actually, I think I am. I am and then section it, pull up. I'm using mine more decorative because I'll show you. It's like gold stripes are on a black hairband. And then I pull it into a pony on the top of my head. And something like that. And boom, you have the half up, half down. I'm not going to get a close-up because you can pretty much see. Next, we have the last, but certainly not least, what I like to call sidesies. Brush your hair to the side. And I love doing this because it's it is a side ponytail. But I love it for comfort, and I only do 2. Or if I want it for an everyday school look, I would do 3 knots. And right now, I'm just going to do 2. It's so comfortable. You can fling it back like that, or have it in front. And I love it so much. And I'll get a close-up on this one, because this one's so adorable. Side pony. So yeah, it's so adorable.